Hello everyone, I'm Nusrat from Tutoviz, and today we are going to do something in maths. As we all know, maths is very important in our day-to-day life. We keep on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. If we want to manage our checkbook, we want to shop at a shopping center, we want to find out the best price of anything. We need to travel from one place to another, so we need to find the time, we need to find out the distance, we need to find the cost. Everything requires maths. So we keep on knowing plus, minus, we add, we subtract, we multiply, and we even divide numbers. Now, many a times what happens is we don't only need to do addition or only subtraction or only multiplying numbers. We need to sometimes add. After that, we even need to subtract to get our desired result. For achieving something that we want, we need to do two or more operations at the same time. Then only we're going to get our result. Let us do some examples on it. Suppose Jenny has 25 dolls with her. They are her favorite Barbie dolls. Now she goes to a toy store and she buys 12 more dolls. Now when she comes back home, she realizes that there are a lot of dolls with her. So she decides to give away 15 dolls to her friend to play. So how many dolls is she left with? So this what we are doing is called as a multi-step problem. Why it is a multi-step problem? Because to get the answer, we need to do more than one step. As I told you, we need to sometimes add, subtract, multiply, and divide at the same time. We need to do more than one operation. So here what we are going to do. First, we need to find out how many total number of dolls does she have after buying. So she already has 25 dolls and then she buys 12 more dolls. So to find out the total number of dolls that she has, we need to add. So when we add these numbers, let us quickly arrange them and add 25 and 12. As I have already explained, when we are adding vertically, we need to add the digit in the ones place first and then in the tens place. So when we add the digit in the ones place, 5 plus 2, we get 7, and when we add 2 plus 1, we get 3. So the total dolls that Jenny has now is 37. Now next what she is doing is she decides to give 15 dolls to her friend. So 15 dolls will be less. So that needs to be subtracted. So what I do is 37 minus 15. Let me arrange this vertically again. I'll first subtract the digit in the ones place and then the tens place. 7 minus 5, I get 2. And 3 minus 1 is again 2. So Jenny is left with 22 dolls after giving away 15 dolls to her friend. Let us do one more example. Okay. I am having a box of pencils. I'm having a box of pencils, and suppose when I count them, I have 8 boxes of pencils. And each box contains 5 pencils. I want to distribute these pencils among 10 children. So how many pencils will each child get? That is what I need to find out. Okay, if I know how many should be given to each child, I can just quickly take away those pencils and give them. So what am I going to do here? Very easy. First, I need to find out the total number of pencils. I have 8 boxes of pencils and each box has 5 pencils. So when I have the quantity of one box and I want to find out the quantity of the more number of boxes, then the operation that needs to be done is multiplication. So I do 8 multiplied by 5. It will give me the total number of pencils, which are 40. 8 times 5 is 40. For multiplication, you need to be good at multiplication tables. Now, these pencils need to be distributed among 10 children. So that means I have to divide. So 40, which is the total number of pencils, divide by 10, because the 10 is the number of children that I need to divide the pencils into. 40 divided by 10. I know 10 into 4 is 40. So 4 pencils. Each child will get 4 pencils. So these are few examples where I have to do addition and subtraction at the same time, then only I can get my answer. In another example, we see that we need to multiply and then again divide so that I can get my desired answer. I hope you understood this multi-step word problems. Thank you.